YouTube, we got a box in the mail from a barber plug. Listen, before we get into it, make sure you use 360 Jeezy at checkout when you're shopping with the barber plug. Link will be in the description. Let's get into it. Let's open this box up. All right, let's see what we got here. Woo! Okay, we got the Coco. This is the Coco clipper. This is the wireless joint. This is the new version, I guess. I don't know, but we got this one. And of course, we got the trimmers. I did want the blue ones. I'm gonna be honest. I wanted the blue ones, but I got the gold instead, which ain't too bad. I had the other gold ones, but these are the new versions. Let's go. Got Cool Care, thinning shears, another razor, some Dorco razors, another razor, brushes. I don't know what this is. This looks like a cape though. Some shears, a comb. What is this? What? We gonna have to see about this. I don't know. This looked like a clipper over fader comb. Clipper over fader comb? I don't know what this is, but hey, we're gonna check it out. This is like one of them fader all-in-one clipper over comb thing. I don't know. Some pencils, some blades, a little hair gripper, some more blades. Don't forget, listen, use my code 360Jeezy at checkout when you're shopping at the Barber Plug. Happy belated birthday from Barber Plug family. You're super OG now. Look, dang, you ain't had to do me like that. All right, y'all, stay tuned. Before I go, let's actually check these trimmers out though. Let's see how they look in hand. All right, they're not as gold as I thought it was. It's more of a yellow color. I like the redesign that they put on this though. It looks better, feels better, kind of feels smaller. Hopefully these are smaller too than the last clipper I had. Nah, it's the same size. It's basically the same size. Still looks good though. It's definitely an upgrade from what the last one looked like. All right. So before I just start cutting, my client didn't want too much cut off the top, barely any. He basically wanted me to shape it. So I'm gonna start by putting my duck clips in to work on the taper. That way the hair is out of the way. When combing the hair down, you wanna make sure that you find out the best way that it lays. So with the first guideline I'm gonna set is the bald line. I'm using my Babyliss FX trimmers and I'm setting it in a rainbow-like shape. That way I have kind of a burst effect with my blend. Using my Stylecraft instincts with the lever fully open, I'm going up about a ½ inch, making sure I go around that first guideline. Putting on the one guard with the lever fully open, going up about a ½ inch, basically going around that second guideline in the same shape. I'm feeding the hair through the teeth of the comb. So I'm not gonna worry about that bulk at the top. I'm basically just gonna work my way back down and I'm gonna try to soften up that middle line as much as possible with the lever fully closed. Now that that line is softened up, with my zero guard closed in a flick out motion, I'm using my corners and I'm flicking out that middle line. So after that, I like to go with my lever open and basically detail and knock out some of those bulk areas where the zero guard couldn't take out. With the lever closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Now I'm using my corners the entire time, and if I'm gonna adjust the lever, I'm gonna adjust the lever as I go higher in the blend. Now I'm gonna attack the bulk area at the top. I'm gonna put on my 2 guard with the lever fully closed and just debulk that top area just a little bit. You'll find out that you really kind of could keep some of that bulk there. You know what I mean? You don't have to take out the bulk completely. And lastly, what you want to do is detail your work. All right, detailing is most important when separating yourself from just being an average barber. What I like to do is I like to utilize the mirror. The mirror shows you a different perspective on the blend that you can't see just head on. All right, I also like to rest my eyes for a minute, come back to it, not for a full minute, just rest your eyes so it's get used to seeing something else, then come back and detail. I like to use my corners and just corner work, knocking out those bulk areas. So when working on the back, I basically use the same exact steps. All right, the only difference is you have a lot more room to work with. All right, so I go in with my bald line with my FX trimmers, then I'll set in my lever open, one open, then I'll take out the bulk at the top with the two, then work my way back down using baby steps, basically taking out that middle line, softening it up with the one guard closed, then I'll take it out fully with the zero guard closed. Then I'll work at the bottom and take it out with the lever fully closed. Then lastly, detail. So to all my students out there, I would recommend memorizing your steps. All right, just how I ran through all the steps, you need to know this in your mind. That way you get quicker at cutting hair. So I always like to prep my lines. What I do is I'll get the hair out of the way, set my duck clips in, and I'll bring down some of that hair, make sure everything is nice and neat, then take it down to a length where I feel that it's best. All right, and that's the one guard with the lever open. All right, that is the best. And sometimes I'll even take it down and close the lever. So make sure you do that. You can also put alcohol on the skin to dry out the skin, and also use your hairspray to lock it in. gonna take my curved shears and I'm just gonna clean up those areas where, it could use some cleaning up. So my client came through, needed me to save the day. You may not think that I came to the rescue, but
God did.
You too, this is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, alright? Hustle Dreams Production, that's my brother, he does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you go give him a follow, cause this beat is lit. I dang near wanna vibe out right now. I just wanna jump to the moon right now on one single bow. What you mean? Listen, if you wanna follow me, make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official360Jeezy and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Hold on, you giving them too much, Hustle Dreams Production. You slow it down real quick. Now bring the beat back one time. Hustle Dream Production, I said bring the beat back. I don't think you understand. I said